Cinema 2017 red carpet. I think we have a very, very happy young gentleman with us today because yesterday he won an award at SIMA. Sir, how does that feel?
It's great, best actor jury that they gave, and 2016 has been a very, very special year. So, and receiving an award for Krishna Gadi Veera Prema Gatha was even more special because the film is very close to my heart.
Absolutely. In fact, today we're here for the Tamil and the Malayalam night. Innikku veraikkum Eeda, kannu rendum teeda nu sonna avlo vandu we love you and we're like, when is Nani going to come back? Eppa marubadiyum oru Tamil padam nadikka porarunu.
I really miss being there and being in Chennai, being shooting and seeing myself in Tamil films. I really miss being there.
And your fans are watching you live on Facebook right now. If there's something you would like to say to the Tamil fans, sir.
Thank you so much for all the love, and I've always told everyone that the kind of support I got from Tamil cinema when I started was amazing, and I really can't wait to come back to Tamil cinema. Yeah.
And the kind of films that Nani does, whenever we go to watch a Nani film or a Nani performance, we always see that it's always so true to reality, and your performance is always so honest. It's like we can feel for that character. He is genuinely a boy next door, and for that I think you would have drawn an inspiration from somewhere, right? Who has been your biggest inspiration to be an actor?
Biggest inspiration is Kamal sir, no doubt. But I not inspiration in the sense, not I don't think I can do anything Kamal sir did at some other level. But yeah, inspiration definitely it has to be Kamal sir.
Which one of Kamal sir's films did you watch and say, okay, I'm going to be an actor too, I'm going to do what this man is
Nayagan,
doing?
yeah.
Huh?
Nayagan was my, yeah.
Nayagan, no?
Yeah,
is there like any specific scene that really impressed you?
Every scene, I think that's like a classic. To pick one particular scene from such a film will be unfair, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if suppose an actor's job is to be creative all the time, every scene you get, every dialogue you get, you have to think about how you can do it in your style, how that character would play it. So when it involves so much creativity, is there a point where you get stuck and for a second you just have that pressure in you? Are there points like that?
Definitely there will be, but that's the fun part about acting, yeah. You need to go through all that too.
But what do you do to overcome that, sir? Like when you're stuck like that, what do you do to relax yourself?
Give it some time, that's all. It'll all fall in place, yeah.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Yeah. Okay, but now after being in the industry for a couple of years and giving such successful films and having such a crazy fan following, when you look back at this journey, if there's that one memorable moment that you would say, this is what made my career, this is what changed it, which film or which scene or what would that be?
There are a lot too many memories like that, but if I have to say one thing, I think that will be me getting selected for my first film to act. I think that's the moment where everything changed.
Absolutely. In fact, they say that for an actor to appreciate themselves is the most difficult part, because whenever you watch yourself on the monitor or in theatre, you're like, no, I could have done that better.
Yeah,
I could have done that
every
better.
Film, yeah.
But is there one scene where you thought, okay, Nani, you've performed well, and told yourself that?
My film is going to release next Friday. Yeah, I think there's one scene in that film where I thought, okay, I was decent.
Now this is why the theatres are going to be full, and this is why, because Nani is convinced with his performance and he thinks he did a great job. In all the other
not great job, but I think I was decent, like better than my previous films, definitely.
And we thought you were wonderful. You
Thank
cannot
you.
be this modest about being such a wonderful actor, but truly we love you a lot. And we have a lot of fans coming in and commenting. We have Sai Dinesh waiting for Ninnu Kori movie. We have, yeah, if you can just read out these comments, I think they'd be very happy.
Hi David, hi Mastan. Nani, please say hi to me. Hi Dineshwaran. Hi Jackson, hi Yuraj. Yeah, hi.
We have
hi
David.
Hi Sunny. My son is good. Yeah.
Yes, how
good.
is that? Like
3
getting
months
into
old.
fatherhood now, how does that
amazing.
feel?
It's still sinking in. Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
But what about like late night shoots or coming to like events abroad here? Now that you have a baby in the house, it's very difficult.
Yeah,
to do
it
that.
is, but again, it's a part of the job, so we need to. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so sweet. Thank you, Nani.
Thank you.
It's
My pleasure.
always such a pleasure to speak to you. And all the very best for Ninnu Kori, and we're all going to go watch it in theaters.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And that was Nani for us, such a modest actor. I mean, for the amount of talent and for the amount of fan base he has, this is not how you expect a celebrity to be or an actor to be, but I think that is why Nani is loved. And the amount of love and affection that he gets from his fans is only because he is yet so humble and so simple and so sweet. I think SIMA has always been a platform where you get to interact with such stars and catch them when they're not in their busy schedules, when they're relaxed, because you've brought them to another country. So they're not worried about shootings, they're not worried about their call time, they're not worried about the traffic of getting back home. Nothing. They're just simple, normal human beings who are just here to have fun. And this is the best time to speak to them. And we did not want you to miss out, which is exactly why we came up with this Facebook live streaming, so that you can be a part of this right here, right now with us on SIMA 2017 Red Carpet. It's very late here and it's about time that the event is going to, come to an end. But we still have a couple of actors walking on the red carpet and we don't want to miss them, right? So we don't want to miss out. So please stay tuned. I understand that India is a little ahead of us. So it's going to be very late for you guys out there. But it's worth it, right? I mean, there are stars, there are celebrities. We've always loved them and we have to keep supporting them. And the best part is all these videos are going to be available for you on SIMA's official Facebook page. Anytime that you want to go back in and watch your stars, be their best, dress their best, you have it right there for you. And if the stars took your name, you have it there as a memory for a lifetime. So thank you all so much for being a part of this live streaming and constantly commenting and constantly motivating us. And if you want your friends and your family to watch this, then do feel free to share this video. And we love you. And that's exactly why we came up with this. And if there are any more stars walking in, I'm going to come back with them and meet you. But until then, keep showing your love and keep showing your support. That's what we're here.